You have seen AI photos where the person is sharp, but everything behind them melts into a dreamy blur. That soft background is one of the biggest tells that an image is AI. Here is exactly why it happens and 3 real ways to fix it. Here is an image we generated. The subject looks fine, but look behind her. The background is mush. We never asked for that shallow, blurry look. It just came out that way. And it was not a one-off. Every image came back the same way. This same soft, out-of-focus background, no matter the scene or the prompt we used. Look closely at that background. This is not real detail gone soft. It is a smear. A real camera, framed like this, would keep far more of the scene sharp. The model is inventing blur that should not be there. So why does it happen? The image model has a built-in bias toward a shallow depth of field. Its training set was full of artistic portrait photos with blurred backgrounds, so it quietly learned that background equals blurry and made that the default. The obvious move is to add sharp focus, everything in focus, to your prompt. It helps a little, but the fast versions of the model ignore those negative instructions entirely and the bias is baked in. Words rarely beat the model's default. And this is a well-known complaint. Creators everywhere point to this shallow, dreamy background as a dead giveaway for AI. If yours looks like this, you are fighting the model itself, not your prompt. Fix 1, the reliable one. A small add-on called an AntiBlur LoRA. It counteracts the bias directly. At a normal strength, it sharpens the background without changing your style or composition. Fix 2, just use a newer model. The latest generation of this image family fixed the bias entirely. New model, crisp background, no add-on needed. Fix 3, the cheapest of all. Pick a look where soft and moody is a feature, not a flaw, an ambient scene, a dreamy portrait. Now the model's habit is exactly the style you wanted. So to spot an AI image fast, a razor-sharp subject, a dreamy blurred background at a framing where a real lens would not blur that much. That combination is the tell.